Hey guys, Alex here, back on your screens with another vlog, and I'm here with Chris. Where are we going? Totally. I didn't bring my GoPro, so we're gonna do it on the phone. I got a fishing hat. We're here. Oh my god, I'm so excited. We're here now. How do you think this is gonna go?
I don't love it.
Oh, I think someone here is gonna drown.
Is it on purpose or is it gonna be by accident?
Jury has to decide.
Trying to inflate my boat here. It's good for now, I think.
The butt of the boat, nice.
Still pumping?
Pumping.
Pump it up.
Mine's more pumped than you guys, so I don't know why.
Apparently there's a big snake in the water. That's a huge snake. Where's the dock? Yeah.
I'm twisted. No. Oh my god. Oh my god.
All right.
Oh, this.
Are you guys?
That's low.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. You got it. You guys have
Castaways. We are castaways. Ahoy there. Where it was. Huh?
Get away! Okay, I'm pushing you. Alright, you ready?
Ready. Look, I'm in the middle of nowhere. Oh, there they are. Hi, Chris.
He's gaining on us.
What? You okay over there?
Dylan, what are you guys doing?
Hello. My thing was open the whole time. How did I
never
not sink on
vlog.
the
I
water?
almost died. Didn't get out of
Well, it's gonna get wet eventually.
Oh god. So yeah, that was our boating experience. Half the time I was just stranded going in circles.
I mean, we could try to fit them in the truck.
That was fun. What'd you think?
It was fun.
Yeah. It is later on in the night. It's really fun. Apparently that snake is like is very dangerous to humans, so like, yeah. But, oh god. You scared me. I don't understand. Turn the volume down, maybe?